Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how I pack my whole wardrobe pretty much, with the exception of a couple of jackets and maybe a couple of sweatshirts aren't in this suitcase, and maybe like some fancy dresses that I just never wear. Pretty much this is my whole wardrobe, with the exception of those few couple pairs of socks that just for some reason did not fit today. I just got done doing my whole laundry. They say this is a carry-on size. I don't know. I've not tried it, but this suitcase is by Delsey. This is the second one I've had by this company. My other one, unfortunately, I gave away to my friend. It was a cute pink color, and I just ended up not using it. So I ended up giving it to her for her and her daughter when they travel a lot to and from different relatives' houses. So this one, Delsey has a 10-year worldwide limited warranty. I've had their suitcase before, like I said. I loved it. The best suitcase ever that I've ever had. The zippers are really great. I just love it all in general. This one particular model is the Breeze 6.0. Now, I got lucky and I got this from, I think it was Ross or Marshall's, TJ Maxx, one of those type of stores. And I got it for like $80 when normally it's like way more than that. It says it's a carry-on friendly. This little card came on it. Maximum organization. It's got like a cool, I'll show you everything, all the features. It's got this cool little compartment on the side, which is on that side, which I don't really use. This is pretty much how it is set up for me to take all my stuff when I go on my pet sits and living in the van. Now, I have had so many different bags. I started out with like a hiking backpack. I started out with a duffel bag, another hiking backpack, 2 different suitcases or 3 different suitcases now, living the nomad life. For me, I kind of prefer the suitcase the most. I will go into another video another time about the different bags that I've used through the years of being a nomad for 5+ years, you know. So let's get into how this suitcase is set up, how I have it set up. This isn't for like airline travel or anything. Now, if I was gonna fly with this suitcase, I would totally take out what I don't need, or I would be, if it was a shorter trip, I would just use one of my backpacks or a duffel bag or something else. Maybe I would use this suitcase. Depends where I was going, how much I had to carry. Let's do a view all the way around, first of all. So the handles are like, they like compact down. This one's in black. I think these suitcases come in other colors. Of course, the handle goes up pretty high. This kind does have 4 wheels, so they like rotate, and these wheels are kind of like got a little like soft rubber to them. They have a little handle right here, little like skid plate kind of thing. They have another handle here, and they collapse back, bounce back, which is nice because the way they've designed these, they don't get too snagged up on other things. There is one of those where you put your info. I haven't done that yet, but I usually also have luggage tags too that I need to put on here. I feel like I'm so out of breath today. Whew. This is a cool little accessory pocket, so you can unzip it. And if you don't have the inside of the suitcase super full, this pocket will expand all the way like inside the suitcase. And then you could put stuff in it, or you could put shoes or dirty laundry. It's kind of like really cool if you don't have it so full like I do. There is an expander. So after you've packed it and you want to compress it a bit, you can, you know, close it down. This kind of has more, it's not like a hard shell and it's not a soft shell kind. It's, I don't know, I really like it, these kind, because you can squish them down. My other suitcase I had like the sugar skulls on it. Oh, I loved it. It's so cool. I still have it. I'll show you guys a video of that some other time. But it was more of a hard shell suitcase, which I loved it. But I just wanted to go back to this like soft-sided. I found one of these that I loved because I missed my other Delsey suitcase so much that I found one. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. So I ended up purchasing this one. And I mean, I think it was like $80 for someone who uses a suitcase pretty much every day to live out of. Totally is a good investment. This one has a little hole so you can put headphones, or you can have a cord come out, because inside this organizer pocket it has a special power bank pocket. So you can put a power bank in there. It's got the little hole for the cord to come out, or for your headphones or something. It has a deep pocket. Maybe you put papers in here, littler things. I always kind of forget about this pocket, to be honest. You can fit your tablet in this pocket, or papers, whatever. You can fit it says a 15.6-inch laptop in this pocket. So I thought that was really cool too if I ever traveled with my laptop. I don't know if my laptop fits because I have a 17-inch. I bought the suitcase before I bought the laptop, but I haven't tried it to see if it would fit. But I think if I would travel with my laptop, me personally, I probably would, if this bag wasn't carry-on size, I probably would, this is one-handed, I probably would be putting my laptop into another case. That's just me personally. I don't know. And, okay. Let's dive into what is in this beast of a suitcase. This, I don't know what size this one is, but anyways. So this is basically my whole wardrobe, okay? I live in Central California, so everything I particularly love to wear is just t-shirts and jeans, tank tops, and shorts. Our fluctuations in weather is like not that bad. It doesn't get that cold, and it doesn't get too hot, where usually shorts and tank top will suffice, no problem. Sometimes I put my shoes in here as well. Sometimes, right now we do have a house still, so usually my shoes are at the house. But when I do van life, usually my shoes are in the doorway of the van. And then usually I'd pack just what shoes I may need for wherever I'm going. So they would probably go right in there, wherever there's room. My toiletries, by the way, are not in this suitcase. I have those in a separate bag. Yeah, so right in here, there's a pocket here. It's all socks, okay? Now, I just did my laundry, and I think in this dryer, it made everything super fluffy. So usually I can fit all my socks. So I just wear like these kind of socks, you know, like men's socks, whatever, because they're so comfy for how much I do walking and hiking and everything else. So I have like a ton of these. They're all the exact same, so they're easy just to ball up. I'll do another video on how I fold everything to fit into the suitcase. Now, underwear, I am lucky. I have like no ass, so I can wear like the little kid underwear because it's so much cheaper. And I mean, I have a ton of pair of underwears. Now, I have learned over the years, you don't need that many clothes. You need more underwear and socks. They take up less room, and it's easier to put off doing laundry because I hate doing laundry. So as you will notice too, everything is dark colors except these because they're kid underwear. So they come in fun kid colors and patterns. And yeah, so I just like that. So they're just all rolled up to fit all in there. I don't do things, by the way, I don't do it like the KonMari method, Marie Kondo. I don't fold clothes like that. I use some packing cubes, so not a lot of packing cubes. I've used packing cubes on and off depending what bags I have. So this is kind of with and without packing cubes, a bit of both. So we are going to, so like I said, this whole pocket here is all socks. So, this pocket here is, I have a scarf, I have beanies, 1, 2, third one that Jeff's dad gave me, and then I have a little, I guess I can pull this stuff out, a little purse. So if I traveled, or just sometimes I'll just use this. So it's like a little messenger type. I don't want to pull too many things out, you guys. I packed this so well. But anyways, it's like a little messenger style. It's got little pockets, so if I went somewhere, I could just throw my wallet and phone and things like that into it, and it folds really flat. This is by Dakine. I don't know. I'm sure they still sell these. I still see them. their stuff's built really well. And then over here, I have all my hats. I have like 3 hats. So 2 baseball hats and then a visor and a scarf. I have one other scarf that just sits in the van. Ugh. Let's turn this around. So I'm doing this on my cell phone, so it's a little, you know, shaky and stuff. I will go into another video how I fold everything, kind of. It's not that complicated, but I'll do that when I have a tripod set up, probably would be best. I have a dirty laundry bag. So this I have had for years. By the way, everything has pet hair on it because pet hair is in every facet of my life. So it just says Happy Halloween. It's a simple drawstring bag, so I put my dirty laundry in that. I just did laundry, so everything is clean. I have one of these packing cubes. Oh, I forget the company because I put duct tape over it and it used to have a label of what was in here. So I have one of these, and this just has my like overshirts. So like it's wintertime right now, so like this is a like long sleeve knit kind of shirt, and then I have another sweatshirt, and then I have a sweatshirt down here, and then I have this as like a pajama sweatshirt kind of thing. So if it's not too cold, I'll wear that other pajama shirt. And then I guess we will start on this left side. This suitcase this buttons out, and this is one of those things. So when you're flying, all your liquids, 3-ounce liquids, have to fit into one of these. It's like that specific size. So I didn't want to lose this, so I just leave it in here. Sometimes I'll put other things in it, but I just left it in here. And with this particular suitcase, you can take this bag off, and it can also clip into somewhere over here as well. So that's what's kind of cool. I just leave it in there so I don't lose it. This has... Hi! What's up? You're gonna photobomb me? What's that? That's Daisy. I'm still pet sitting her. She's like old. She's like 16 years old. Bye. So in here is another packing cube. These just have my shorts. So because I'm not wearing shorts right now, they're just all in here. And also because some of them are like gym shorts. So they're like all slippery running shorts kind of thing. So it's easy to kind of keep them all together since they don't really fold all that well. And then on this pile are all my t-shirts. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 t-shirts because I'm wearing one. And so there's like 1 or 2 pajama shirts in there too. So those are all my t-shirts. Tank tops, I'm a little low on tank tops. I need to buy some more. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 tank tops. I'm not like a super smelly person, so, and I usually do laundry once a week or every week and a half. Yeah, but I need to get more tank tops. I have 1 bra here. I wear sports bras because they're way more comfortable for me. So I have 3 of those. So they fold up, squish, however, no problem. I have, because there's like a pocket in here that has like a zipper. So these are like those, compression type things so you don't get shin splints, because I do sometimes, for breeze. And then right here is a belt, just a typical webbed belt. I'm kind of a minimalist when it comes to clothes, to be honest. Like I have 1 belt, actually I have 2 belts. The other belt needs to get, I have a cool buckle, so I just need to get another belt for that other buckle. So right now I just wear this 1 belt. And then I have jeans. I have jeans and some leggings all folded down in this pile. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 9 pants basically. Oh, it sounds like a lot. But yeah, I went from total minimalist wardrobe, like only 2 or 4 pairs of bottoms, you know, like shorts or pants. And then I was at the Goodwill one day and I actually found a bunch of pants that actually fit. And I was like, oh my gosh, I never really find things that fit that well. So I ended up buying that. And so this is why I have extra clothes. But I think after being like a minimalist on my wardrobe for like 4 years, 4 or 5 years, it was kind of nice to kind of get a couple extra things now and be able to have a little more of a wardrobe. You know, I still feel like I'm still wearing like the same things, but pretty much all these things I do wear at least twice a week, I would say. Yeah, so there's like 2 pairs of leggings, a pair of more like springtime pants, a pair of more thicker winter jeans, and then a couple other pairs of jeans because of my work, and then a pair of pajama bottoms. Yeah, because of my work, jeans just work really well, or the leggings, you know, working with dogs and everything. So that's pretty much my wardrobe. Like I said, the tennis shoes, I usually wear tennis shoes. I have some fancy foo-foo shoes that I just wear when I wear dresses, which I store those somewhere else because I don't ever really wear them, except for if I had to go to a wedding or a really nice fancy dinner or event. But that stuff doesn't come with me ever. It just sits somewhere else. So yeah, that's my whole wardrobe. Can't think of anything else, but thank you guys for watching. Do you guys have videos about how you do your whole wardrobe, or how you guys do your wardrobe in the van? Thank you guys always for watching, and you guys have fun, and I hope you have wonderful weather wherever you may be. Talk to you guys later. Bye.